Paralysis is broken by sound, not sight. Jericho does not come out down because they can see it. You notice that Jericho doesn't fall when they march. Their movement didn't bring it down. Their faith alone didn't bring it down. They marched 7 days. Their fear, they looked at it. They saw it. It's an impregnable city. Nobody's beat it. Nobody's defeated the walls of Jericho. Egypt didn't mess with it. It was there for centuries. But God had a strategy. And he said, I will get, and this is what he said to Joshua, see, I have given you the city. So I have to see the victory, but I have to make sound of praise. My sound is lining up to what I see. But it's broken not by sight, but by sound. Somebody shout in your house today. Open your mouth and shout. They marched in silence, but breakthrough came with a shout. Your breakthrough is waiting on your sound.